And I try. Oh my God, I try. I try all the time in this institution. And I pray. Oh my God, I pray. I pray every single day for a revolution. And so I check Facebook for the place and time to reassure myself that I'll be fine. And I'm feeling a little bit better. And so I wake in the morning and I stay inside and I take a deep breath and heave a big old sigh and I scream from the top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 yeah.
Hey!
Hey, yeah, yeah.
Hey!
I said, hey.
Hey.
What's going on?
The coup is going on. Yeah,
And
that's...
I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey! Hey!
I said, hey.
I'm here. Hello? Can I...
What's going on?
The coup de comedy is going on.
Wait, you're doing the coup de comedy?
Yes, the coup de comedy is back. Again, free and 100% online. Featuring the best of the best with workshop panels and performances. Plus, the Global Improv Initiative symposium featuring transformative improvisational experts from around the world. Help us make the coup as rad as you.
Yeah!